This is a Bugaboo B, and it has trouble with the height adjustment mechanism. This side no longer holds tight. This one is actually pretty worn down as well. And we're going to have to replace out the internal parts of the mechanisms in order for it to fit tightly again. Now, this is, so in any case, we're going to swap out this worst side. You're going to need a screwdriver. It has that little star-shaped head. It's very common to Bugaboo repair. You don't want to be careful not to lose the nut underneath. It's kind of unique. I'm going to fold this open and push out the screw. It's a very unique set of screw and nut. And here is the mechanism that's responsible for holding the height of the handle. So this presses in when that flap is closed, and these two little raised pyramidal shapes are supposed to press into any two notches along the handle. And what happens is, because this is plastic, when you're pulling hard on that handle, it sands it all the way down. I'm going to replace it with a new one, and I'll show you the difference. These parts and use them as well. You just want to then put the piece back in, put the flap in, and then screw it back together. And we're just going to carefully hold that nut up from the bottom after we slot it into the right position. The plastic space for it is also 6-sided, so you kind of got to get it exact. And we'll screw it in tight. There we go. Now it holds in various positions as it should. So that's how you replace that part.